Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with a really quick video. Okay, so this is a follow-up video to the video I made earlier on today. Okay, so I have Viper OS installed on the Samsung Galaxy Tab E T560 model. Okay, so with this ROM, you can format your SD card as internal storage, so that you have more room on the internal storage to transfer applications and game files and data. Okay, so I'm just going to go into the settings here. And go to storage. And select the storage and select these three little pins up here. Select storage settings, and here you can format as internal. Okay, so make sure before you actually do the format, you save anything important, because doing this is gonna wipe the SD card. So just make sure you save anything important, pictures, videos, to your laptop or PC or to a thumb drive. So I'm gonna go ahead and erase and format. Okay, so it's now complete. So I'm using 3.66 GB off my 64.99 GB. There you have it. So yeah, you couldn't do this on the stock Android 4.4.4 KitKat, but now you can do it with this amazing 7.2 Viper OS ROM. If it helped you out, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. It's your boy the Android Doctor. I'm out. Deuces.